Splunk is used for so many things. We have a hard time explaining it. It's like, how do you explain a Swiss Army knife? 95% of all the data in the world is not human decipherable. You know, you need another kind of machine and piece of software to decipher it. That's what we do. The ability to share knowledge quickly and appropriately, and to store it and relate it to other things and create knowledge databases, that's what Slack helps us with.
A sales engineer is the technical advisor within an account. They create value for a customer. I work in the sales engineering organization. I make sure we have the right programs to get our sales engineers to be successful. Having Slack in place allows us to amplify that just-in-time learning ability that SEs need to be able to be successful. You are about to be faced with a customer who might have some questions. Maybe there's a new product that they're interested in. Let me search for it, see what the latest information is. Slack allows us to search for that in one searchable engine. We built a bot integration where you can actually summon a report from Splunk right into a Slack conversation.
I use Slack specifically for my job as an SE every day. There are so many questions that my customers are asking me all the time, and I do not have all the answers, and so I really leverage the knowledge that over 600 people have into this Slack channel. There's just so much knowledge sharing there, and really, I'm one SE, but if I have 600 people's information as well, it makes me a much better SE, and anything that we can help our customer in a faster way is great for me, and I don't have to go chasing people and knocking doors down, because I will.
There's this thing called distance bias where as the workforce grows and we have folks in different geographies, a lot of times you'll interact with people that are in the room and lean on their point of view a little bit more, which is not right. Everybody should be able to bring their opinions to a decision, and Slack allows us to basically break down that bias, and your opinion's not going to be thrown by the wayside. You'll actually have a voice in it.
We're really at the beginning phases, even though it's been implemented across the company. There's so much capability that Slack has that we're not yet utilizing. Others might say, hey, great, you rolled it out, there was a lot of adoption, but what's it going to look like in 3 years? It's going to be unbelievable, and it will really change how we interact with each other.